Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we are explore how to create a minimal inner frame focus using frames in Photoshop. Now I open Photoshop and create a clean square canvas. First I place my image in the center and resize it carefully. Then I draw a thin rectangular frame inside the image area. After that I adjust the stroke to keep it subtle and elegant. Now I align the frame perfectly using smart guides. Next I add a very soft shadow to separate the inner frame visually. Then I refine spacing so the frame doesn't overpower the image. After this I zoom out and check balance. Finally I polish the design so the inner frame gently guides viewer attention.